chromed elegance wrapped in muscular defiance defined the 1973 Pontiac Grand Am, a machine born at the crossroads of luxury and performance during a transformative era in American automotive history. Crafted to bridge the gap between the European handling of a Grand Tour and the raw street power of Detroit muscle, it carried the heartbeat of the GTO yet whispered refinement through its plush interior and advanced features for the time. Its arrival was marked by a bold, urethane Endura nose free of chrome, flowing body lines, and a wide stance that gave it both presence and poise. This model quickly became a symbol of Pontiac's adaptability in a decade, where emissions regulations, safety mandates, and the oil crisis began reshaping the industry. Before diving deeper into its engineering marvels and storied evolution, join our passionate circle of gear enthusiasts, where history meets horsepower, and be part of our community to keep this legacy roaring. The 1973 Grand Am debuted as part of Pontiac's mid-size body lineup, sharing underpinnings with the Lehmans but set apart by its sport luxury focus. Under the hood, buyers could opt for the standard 400 cubic inch V8 producing around 170 net horsepower, or unleash the available 455 cubic inch V8, capable of delivering a road-commanding drive. The car was tuned with a European-style suspension, blending comfort with cornering stability in a way few American sedans of the time could match. Over its brief production span until 1975, the Grand Am underwent minor updates, mostly in trim and compliance features, yet its original design language and driving character remained intact. In today's collector market, a well-preserved or restored 1973 Grand Am can command anywhere between $20,000 and $38,000 USD, depending on originality, rarity of options, and condition. When compared to rivals like the Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme or Chevrolet Monte Carlo, the Grand Am stood out with its forward-thinking styling and emphasis on handling over sheer, straight-line speed. Though it faded from production, its DNA influenced later Pontiac offerings, and enthusiasts still regard it as a pioneer of the sport luxury formula. The 1973 Grand Am remains not only a snapshot of its time, but also a reminder of Pontiac's bold spirit before the industry's winds of change fully set in.